Good morning, Year 2. It's Monday the 1st of February. Where has January gone? But yes, it's Monday the 1st of February, and it's time for our maths session today. Now, we are going to be doing our GCP booklet, okay, the Year 1 workout booklet. But before we do that, we're going to have a bit of a session like we would if we were in the classroom. So we're going to do a warm-up first, okay? We're going to do a warm-up. So let's have a look. Today we are multiplying and we're going to begin to understand what multiplying means. But before we do that, we need to get our brains active, our bodies active, our fingers ready to go and do some wonderful work today, Year 2, okay? So here's little Bob and here's his number line here. And Mrs. O'Keefe needs you to get your whiteboard and whiteboard pen. And I'm going to think of a number that comes before or after, and you've got to write it down, okay? So I'm going to think of a number, and I'll tell you if I want the number that comes before it or the number after it, okay? Are we ready? Mrs. O'Keefe is thinking of a number that comes before number 8. What's 1 less than 8? What am I thinking? 1 less than 8. Have a look at the number line to help you if you need some support. So find number 8, 1 less. So remember, we're going down the numbers if we're looking at less than. If we were looking at greater than or more than, we'd be moving up the number line. So 1 less than 8. Write it down for me. Fantastic. Did you get number 7? Super. Right. Mrs. O'Keefe is thinking of one number, and it's 1 less than 13. 1 less than 13. So find number 13. 1 less. What will it be? Write it down for me. We're very good at this. We're very good at this, Year 2. Mrs. O'Keefe is thinking of a number. What is 1 less than 15? 1 less than 15. So find 15. What is 1 less than? Well done, 14. Mrs. O'Keefe is thinking of a number. What's 1 more than 7? 1 more than 7. 1 more than 7. So have a look. Look at that number line. Find number 7. And it's greater, more than. So we need to go up the numbers. 1 more than 7. Number 8. Fantastic. Right, let's have a go at another one. What is 1 more than 19? 1 more than 19. So find number 19. We're going up the numbers because we want more than, greater than. What is 1 more than? Write it down. 20. Excellent. Well done, Year 2. So let's have a look at what we're doing today. So we said we were going to be looking at understanding multiplying. So here I have a sum and it says 4 times 2. 4 times 2. How could I work that out? You need your whiteboard and pens at the ready. So I need 4 lots of 2. So I need, that's 1 lot of 2, 2 lots of 2, 3 lots of 2, 4 lots of 2. Let me just circle these in a darker colour so you can see. That's 1 lot, 2 lot, 3 lots, 4 lots. We've got 4 lots of 2. So let's work out our answer. We're going to go 2, 4, 6, 8. Counting in twos. We're getting good at that, Year 2. Counting in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. If you can't count in twos yet, just count in ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our answer is 8. 4 times 2 equals 8. So, looking at the next one, 5 times 3. 5 times 3. So, what do I need? How did I show my workings out for the first one? So, I need 5 lots of 3. That's 1 lot of 3. 2 lots of 3. 3 lots of 3. 4 lots of 3. 5 lots of 3. Let's just check. Got 3 there. Got 3 there. Got 3 there. 3 there. 3 there. 5 lots of 3. Let's have a go at counting them. Now, if we can't count in 3s, that's fine. We could count in 5s if we went along this way. So, or we could count in 1s, that's okay too. All right, so we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we know that 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay, if you wanted to count in 5s, we could go along this way because we know that there was 5 groups of 3. Could go that way if you wanted, and we could have gone 5, 10, 15, whichever way you find easier. Okay, but in your booklet you have got some multiplication sums there to complete. Okay, just like what I've done on the board. Use your whiteboard pen to support you. Now I've got lots and lots of pencils, lots and lots of pencils. So just to make this a little bit easier, we're working out the answer, okay? Working out the answer to these multiplication sums. So let me just draw a circle because that's one group, 2, 3, 4, okay? So we need 4 times, how many are in each group? So let's just have a look. We've got 1, 2, 3. 3 in that one. 1, 2, 3. 3 in this one. 1, 2, 3. 3 in this one. And 3 in that one. So we are timesing it by 3. 4 times 3. Let's have a go at working it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We know that 4 times 3 equals 12. And you can work that out with your whiteboard at home, answering all of these questions. Okay, year 2? Fantastic. Right then. Let's move on. Let's move on to our next one. Ooh, now, it says circle the sum that has the same answer as the large answer. Now, this is our large answer here. So which one, 2 times 2 or 3 times 2 equals 4? So we need to work it out. So again, you're going to need your whiteboard and pen. Yours might not be the same questions, okay, the same numbers that I'm using, but it shows you how to work it out. So let's look at 2 times 2. So I need 2 groups of 2. 2 lots of 2. I've got 1 lot there, and I've got 1 lot there. 2 times 2. The next one said 3 lots of 2. Let's do this in a different colour so we don't get confused, okay? So I've got 1, 2, 3 lots of 2. 3 lots of 2. Now what I need to do is count them and see which one has the answer of 4. Which one has the answer of 4? So we can count in 2. So let's do the first one. 2 times 2. Let's see. We've got 2, 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. Let's just check the last one. 2, 4, 6. So we know that 3 times 2 the answer isn't 4. The answer is 6. So for this one, I would be circling 2 times 2 because we know that 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay? Let's have one more go at this before we move on. So we've got our number 10 there. We've got 7 times 2 and 5 times 2. So let me draw 7 lots of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there's our 7 lots of 2. Now, the next one had 5 lots of 2. 5 lots of 2. Are we ready? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots of 2. Let me just circle those. 2, 3, 4, 5 lots of 2. So what we need to do now is count them, counting in twos if we can, to see which one gives us the total of 10. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 7 times 2 equals 14. Is that number 14? No. Let's try the next one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's right. We know that 5 times 2 equals 10. Fantastic, year 2. Excellent work. So, again, in your booklet, you've just got to do exactly the same as what we've been doing on the board. Okay? Right then, now we've got some balloons here. I think you've got ducks in your pack, okay? We've got balloons. And we're looking at how many groups of 2 have we got. So, the best way to do it, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 groups of 2. 4 groups of 2. 4 groups of 2. Now, it's a bit long to keep writing it out like this. 4 groups of 2. That's an easier way that we can do it. So we know that there's 4 lots. 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that there's 4 groups. So 4 multiply or times. And how many are in each one? 2. Well done. Equals. Now we need to find out the answer. Can you remember what I said we needed to do to get the answer? That's right, counting twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. Well done. We know that 4 times 2 equals 8. And again, just like what Mrs. O'Keefe has done on the board, you have got some ducks on your page to complete those sums as well. You're doing really, really well, year 2. Send all that work in. Hopefully I've addressed any misconceptions. But if you need some support, email us and I can get straight back to you.